5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You excited? You want to buy a fidget spinner? I'm taking a video to show my husband so he can come back and... Did you guys see that cool Batman one right here? Like the shape of Batman?
Yeah. Well, can I spin this one?
Those ones are really cool over here.
Look, what about this one here? That's not really
Oh,
nice.
dude. Oh my god, look at this one.
Look, see?
Like a
Look
dragon.
at this one. Mommy.
Wow, I love it.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at the spider. Look how cool that is. Can you spin it for me?
Okay.
I love it.
Mommy.
You like it? You guys can get one each.
Ooh, the captain.
Didn't you buy that one though? Isn't that coming in the mail?
Not coming yet.
Look how the things move, but it doesn't spin long.
There you go.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I love it.
Ready?
That's
Mommy, this is just like the one you have.
wow, that one looks like it spins really fast.
This
Look
is
how
just
different it
like-
looks on the camera. On the camera it almost looks like they're like solid pieces.
Mommy, look. Look.
Let me see.
It's just like yours.
No, mine's different.
This is the nice
Yeah.
things.
What are
Yeah.
these ones?
These are different. Look at this. We got them all
Oh my
different.
God.
Look
Oh,
at
but those are
See?
the dangerous ones.
No, they're not.
That
they're
one
not
looks
sharp,
dangerous.
But then, well, look.
Can I try spinning this?
Yeah, go ahead, sweetie. Try some.
Mommy. Mommy.
See
It
it?
doesn't hurt you?
No? Let me see it? I mean,
Yeah. Well, I wouldn't get it for the kids.
no, not for the kids. But for,
Yeah.
you know, like you,
Yeah.
it would be good.
You can walk around, it could be a weapon too. Very nice.
Really nice.
You like it? Let's see you spin it.
Whoa. It's between this one, and this one.
There you go. Hey.
Is that the one you like, buddy?
Yeah. Mommy, can you get this for me? Mommy. And I'm gonna get
Show him that one. Show him that it's the same one but with colors.
Look, Jordan, it's the same one but with colors.
Oh, okay.
Mommy, this
Yes.
one. Can I try this
Yes,
one?
darling.
I like this.
You like that one?
This is very nice
All right.
and light. And I want to buy it.
Oh my goodness, give me. Let me see. Do you have money for it? This is the one Olivia wants. You got expensive taste for a 2.5-year-old. Let's see what you got. Let me see the one you got, Maya.
This one.
How about you? Let me see what you got. All right, let's see it spin.
Just if I could open it.
Very nice. You like it? What do you think?
Yes. And even
All
I
right.
think it's really cool. Has like a cool look to it. Like it has a lightning scar or something like Harry Potter.
Nice. Let me see it. Let me get a close up. Oh yeah, maybe that's Voldemort's skull. Here.
So that's $45 back.
Okay. Thank you
Ready,
so
thank you.
much. You got that one?
Yeah. And it spins.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, it spins good. I'm so happy for you. Don't lose it, okay?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 36.
Looks like Olivia's is slowing down.
9, 40, 41, 42, 43, 64, 65,
Alright,
66.
so it looks like Olivia stopped. Jordan's is about to stop.
69,
And Maya's is still going strong.
70, 71. This is the one I chose. It looks like it has a Harry Potter's lightning.
Hold it out for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This is my scene that I showed.
What is it called? A fidget spinner. Say that.
A spinner.
A spinner. Okay, let's see you spin it.
A 22, a 23, 24, a 20.
This is mine. It kind of looks like the thing the pirate used to sail their ships.
Very, very good.
I'm gonna try it.
Alright,
I'm gonna try.